Boy, do I have a treat for you today. You're about to see the very first in the world Jeep Comanche MJ aftermarket LED taillight complete assembly. Stay tuned. All right, it is an exciting day today. You are going to see what I think is the world's first direct replacement LED complete assembly, not just the lens, taillight assembly for the Jeep Comanche MJ 87-ish all the way up to 92. And it is from our folks here at oraclelights.com. Check them out. So let's open this up and take a look. So what we are looking at is some LED taillight complete assemblies for the Jeep Cherokee, the Jeep Comanche. These will not fit on a Cherokee. These, as far as I know, are the only fully brand new units that are available on the market today. Part number 5909. I do believe that they have different versions of this. This is the all black version, but I do believe they have it with silver around here. You check out their website, you can see they have their own YouTube video on this. It is complete LED. It looks like they do have a standard lens and a tinted lens version. This should be the standard lens version. Communication with Oracle for a few months, and they told me that it would be here before August, and they were right. And it is right before August. So you are seeing it for the first time just like me. All righty. Comes nice and packed. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, looks like we've got a full unit with integrated electronics. Now today I am not doing an installation. I just wanted to show these to you. So let's go take a look and kind of mock fit them up. I have an old Comanche bed out there. We'll take a look at that. Let's peel this off. They do look good. Now they do not look exactly factory stock, but I think it is a very good rendition, and they seem a lot more durable than the original ones. My original ones. And as you see, this will be a nice upgrade to it. So walking over to this parts bed, I don't know which one this is. This looks like, okay, this is going to be the driver's side. What your factory harness looks like. We won't be using that. Let's just see what this unit looks like up in here. These are very easy to install, as you see. There is just two holes right here. Familiar with removing these, so it looks like there are two little holes there that maybe line up with that somehow. And looking at my factory ones, there are some little Torx bolts up in there. And those are T15 Torx. Okay, here it is installed. With the little Torx bolt there. I just kind of did a temporary installation. This bed is a little bent, but the fitment is pretty good. I mean, it is bent up here a little bit, but that's because there's a dent right here. This side of the bed is not going to be used. It's a little, you see a little separation here, but that is the bed. That is not the light. Anyhow, that's what she looks like. I think she looks pretty darn good. Much heavier duty than the original, and all of these screw holes lined up perfectly. Now it does look like that these are not just plug and play, so I need to watch the video to see what is happening there, but they are not plug and play. Well, I didn't pull this one out, and it does come with the quick connects and installation hardware and some pretty detailed direction. So we'll go over that in another video. We'll be doing an installation video on this at a later date, but got a lot of body work to do on the bed of that truck before I attempt that. Well, that is all I've got today for these tail lights. I'm extremely excited that Oracle decided to be one of the few, if not the only, aftermarket supplier of Jeep Comanche MJ taillights. Now, these are not that cheap. I ordered these a while back. I will leave the link in the description below so you can check the price on your own. The price may have changed since I ordered these. I did pay for them. Oracle did not send me these. You're also going to want to share this video with any of your friends that has a Comanche MJ. I said earlier, when I get this bed fixed, you see there's a big dent right there. When I get all this squared away, get the tailgate on it, I'll do an installation video of these taillights. In fact, before that, I will probably just do a temporary install on one of them and show you what they look like illuminated, but not right now. That's more to come. Y'all stay tuned. This might be the only and first video of a customer purchase of these Comanche taillights, so I'm pretty excited about that. So check out their website. I'll leave the link below, and y'all have a great evening.